Therefore, if the Son makes you free, you shall be free indeed. John 8, verse 36. Hi there, be reminded God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. In this video, I will show you guys how I achieve this lovely hairstyle. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. For my braiding pattern, I have gone ahead and I've sectioned my hair into 2 halves. Midway back, I have about 10 braids. Now what I'm doing is I'm starting off with the braid on the right, just about at the tip of hair to connect it with the hair at the back section that I haven't braided as yet. And then I'm braiding it down toward the nape, and from right to left, or I guess from right to left to right, I will be connecting those 2 braids to form one. So this braid, the end of it, I will be using it to connect it to the other braids. It's kind of like a spiral pattern that I have going on at the back. And one of the faults I'm going to point out is that I braided them too big. My advice, braid them smaller. But this works fine. This is a rosemary and mint strengthening scalp oil that I've found, and I'm just using it to go ahead and oil my scalp. The hair that I will be using is the HOUR-LULUTRESS Deep Twist in the color number 1. So I am starting at the nape of my hair, and I will be installing this 1 strand of hair. No, we're not. What do I do? Come on, separate the hair. Good. So I'm going to start off separating both ends, just kind of like detangling it so that way it doesn't cause any frizz or matting and then, you know, just wasting the hair. So I'm going to section it into 3 pieces, and this is how small the hair is when I attach it to my braids. Now, starting off at the nape of my hair, because I want to make the style as versatile as possible, I want to possibly catch it up in a ponytail or, you know, do updos. I decided that I'm going to do the invisible knot method. So what I'll be doing is inserting the latch hook down toward my neck and pulling the crocheting latch hook through and taking 1 piece of the hair and then pulling it through. I think I knotted this hair between 3 to 5 times. As you can see, this is the invisible knot method that I'm going for, and it allows for me to do the hair up again, like I said, in 1. This is how long the hair is and how full it is thus far, and I've already gone ahead and installed just 1 pack, and as again, I am on the 2nd pack. Now, to keep my hair looking flawless, honestly, for the entire install, I did the invisible knot method. What that entails is inserting the latch hook underneath that cornrow, opening the latch hook, getting the crochet hair, placing it on the latch hook, pulling the hair through with the connected to the latch, attached to the latch hook, and then pulling that through, getting 1 piece or one strand of the hair and pulling it through the loop and knotting it 3 to 4 times, and that is how the invisible knot method is done. For this portion at the back, I did the exact same thing, and I find that to make my crochet braids less, you know, bumpy and those knots less visible, the invisible knot method is the way to go. Again, for the front portion of my hair, I always like to cut the hair. I did do so, and I'm just feathering it so that way it doesn't have any blunt ends. And there you have it, just like that, the Hyper Tress Deep Twist 22 inches fully installed. I did not cut this hair when I installed it. This is how it looks. No cut in. The only parts I cut were the front. Now I could have left the hair looking the way that it did, but I wanted to see if I could tame down the hair because it was a bit too, you know, voluptuous. So I like to get my mousse, put a generous amount, and just work my way throughout the hair. And it did kind of clump the hair up a little bit more. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm guessing after a few days it would kind of you know, maybe compress in size, and God willing, you know, I will see if I can update you guys on that as to what the hair looks like. Now, because of the invisible knot, that method that I did throughout my hair, this style is so versatile because I can go for a middle part, I could go for a side part, I could go for a deep side part. So the styling options are limitless. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this hair is really full and I do like it. Only 3 packs, honestly, and I like it. The only thing I'm kind of not, you know, the dark color is not really my thing, but it looks good. I don't mind. So guys, thank you so much, so much for all your support, for commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. I really do appreciate it. If you do like videos like these, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, comment, continue commenting, liking, and sharing the videos. And, you know, let me know what you thought about today's video. And stop by for my next one. God willing. Take care and God bless you. Bye.